Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, Standard 8, video number 55, Cubes and Cube Roots, Section B, Tough. Let's start. Ajay made a cuboid of plastic. The length, breadth and height of the cuboid are 25 by 25 by 50 centimeter. Okay. How many minimum such cuboids he needs to make a perfect square? Break them into prime factors. So 5 into 5 25, 5 into 5 25, 5 into 5 into 2. So once we have all the prime factors, make groups of 3s. So 1 5 5 5 one group, 5 5 5 one group. Now only 1 2 remains. Now you have to make this a perfect square, group of 3. You will have to multiply 2 to 2. Right? So 1 2 is there. We require 2 more 2's. So we need to multiply it by 4 to make it a perfect cube. Right? So that is the required answer. So minimum 4 cuboids are required of 25 by 25 by 50 so that they make a perfect cube. A tank is in the form of a cube whose volume is 926,1,000 meter cube. Find the length of the side of the tank. Problem is quite simple. We have this number and we have to find the cube root of that. So 926,1,000. Firstly separate 0 from there. So what happens? 9261 into 10. Why 10? Because 3 zeros and cube root. We get only 1 0 then. Now we have to find the cube root of 9261 only. So 9261 equals to 3 into 3087. Then 3 into 3 into 1029. 3 into 3 into 3 into 1, 343. Now 343 is a cube of what? 7. 7 7 is 49, 49 3 7 is 343. Okay. So now we have got groups of 3, 1 and 2. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.